Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a update on my curly hair routine on this wig. So if you would like to, what am I trying to say? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a what am I trying to say? Today I have a curly update hair routine. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave a like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Turn that post notification bell on. And what else? Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Both will be private, but I will accept you guys. So don't worry about that. Yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so the products that I have for this curly hair routine is basically just this, what is this brand again? It's OGX. This OGX curling cream and some water. So these are the only two things I'm going to be using in this hair, because these are the only two things that really like hydrate the hair and make the hair like really curly, and I will literally show you guys. So yeah, so that's all you need. This, you can find this at Walmart for like $6 something. It's not even that expensive, and you get a decent amount of stuff in there. Like, I don't need a lot when I do my everyday curling routine, but to each his own. So let's get started. The first thing that I do is I wet my hair and I drench it to a point where it's not dry anymore. And don't come for me, I know my lace is not laid all the way. Guys, I'm really lazy. I don't even have freeze spray, so like the Got2b glue doesn't like lay it all the way. So that's why I'm like, you know what, this wig is not gonna stay on. So I just didn't glue the frontal all the way. But guys, I absolutely love this hair. I will put the link in the description below of where I got it from. This hair is, I bought this hair from AliExpress. Like, probably like at the beginning of the school year. My college school year. That's when I got it. And I do this by section, so I do this side first and then I work on this side. It's just a lot easier for me. And I literally just go through it with my hands. So this is how much hair came out. Not a lot from a lot of brushing through with my fingers. So this is actually pretty good. Other hairs that I've got, they literally shed like crazy. And this one, it doesn't shed a lot. So this one, I love about this hair. One thing I love about it, minimal shedding. Oh, also, this video is not sponsored. I wish it was. But no, this video is not sponsored. I am I'm just showing you guys this hair just in case like you want some curly hair, and plus it's affordable. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my curling cream and I'm just gonna take a little bit. I don't want to add too much for the hair to just weigh down. I don't want it to weigh down the hair. That's what I'm trying to say. So I take this much, I rub it in my hands, and I just go through the hair and I get everywhere. Well, I try to get everywhere. And I mostly focus it on the ends because that's where the hair starts to get dry. So it's important to moisturize the ends. I do that, I grab my brush and I comb through it. Normally people, or I shouldn't say people, hair websites like AliExpress and like people say not to brush through curly hair, but I feel like when you brush through it, that brings out the curls more. Like when I brush through this hair, it brings out the curls, and it doesn't like ruin the hair or anything. I haven't experienced that yet. I had this hair for about probably like 6 months and nothing has happened yet, so yeah. So my main one is to brush through your curls because it will be more curly and it will be, you know, more, what's the word I'm trying to look for? I don't know, but you get where I'm coming from. Okay, so that is basically it for like the hair care routine. It's very easy. All you need is 2 products and you're solid. All you need is water and like a curling cream. Like legit, you don't have to waste a lot of money on your curly hair routine. But I don't know if this will work for like natural hair, but I know this works a lot for wigs, so you could try it out and see what happens. But yeah. And I'll also leave the links down below to where I got this hair. If you want to, you know, get it yourself, go ahead, come do it. This hair is bomb. It's nice and soft. It's easy to maintain. And I feel like it's good for beginners because this is my 2nd time having a wig, and my first wig, it wasn't good. Like, I'm telling you, it was not for beginners. But this one, I feel like this one is good for beginners because this is my 2nd curly wig. So, and you know, I just watched some YouTube videos on how to maintain curly hair, and I feel like this will maintain your curly weave. I don't know if this will work on any weave that you get, but I feel like it should because this is a curly quenching cream, so it will hydrate any kind of hair type. So yeah, so try this out, try this method out. If it doesn't work, leave a comment down below. If it works, still leave a comment down below. And yeah, so leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.